Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? If you're new to the channel, welcome to X-Terror.Gaming. Glad to have you here. If you're not new to the channel, if you're just returning back, welcome back. Glad to see you again. So basically, if you guys have already read the title of this video, I'm showing you guys how to apply your microchip SD card to your Nintendo Switch to give your Nintendo Switch more system memory, basically to hold more storage, more data. I know I'm a bit late to this, but I wanted to make my own demonstration video about it. Honestly, I never really thought I would actually need it, but apparently I need it because Fortnite takes a lot of data, apparently, so yeah. And with all the games that I got, I can't really hold that much storage, I had to delete a lot of the stuff in order for Fortnite to work, and every time it updates, I gotta delete or archive more stuff, so yeah. But before I get that video started, I just want to let you guys know, if you don't follow me on my Instagram account, you should, so you get updates about times I post, because I actually posted on my Instagram account that I got these Funko Pops and a bunch of other stuff from GameStop and from Walmart. So I got Captain America, Sam Wilson. I also got Zombie Falcon from Marvel's What If. I got this from GameStop as well. I also bought T'Challa Star-Lord from GameStop, and I also bought Thor Jane Foster, Mighty Thor, from GameStop as well. I also bought this Piccolo plushie from Walmart. I actually scratched that. Yeah, the Jane Foster Funko Pop I got from Walmart too. My bad. And I also got this Star Wars The Mandalorian Moff Gideon action figure from Walmart. From GameStop as well. So yeah, I'll make an unboxing video for all this stuff later throughout the week, but not today. Yeah, so let's get started with the main video on basically how to apply the microchip. I already actually did it already, and I don't know how to remove it again, so I can show you guys. But basically, it's a SanDisk. You can buy these at Walmart. They're in electronics section. So basically, you're gonna get two of them. There's the black one right here, the big one. This won't fit. And then you're also gonna get the small one, the little tiny one, which I have in my Nintendo Switch right here. So as you can see, you gotta take off the back in order to apply it, or you don't have to, but I did. And as you guys can see here, if you see this little red thing right here sticking out, yeah, this is the chip. I had to insert it here. And there's actually directions showing you guys how to insert the chip right here. Well, not directions, but basically showing you guys which side the chip should go in. And yeah, so basically once you insert it there, your Nintendo Switch will turn on, basically saying that you gotta restart the system. And once you restart there, it'll basically show you that you have new extra storage in your Nintendo Switch. So let me guys just give you a demonstration on what I mean. Alright, you guys should be able to hear me much better now since my air conditioning turned off. Yeah, let me go to system settings, data management, and basically here it is. Oh wait, here, hold on a second. Okay, that's better. So yeah, here it is. Basically, you guys can see here I got my system memory, and then I got my micro SD card, and I can also move data between the two. That's actually what I did with Fortnite. So yeah, I moved all my Fortnite data to the chip. And now I got plenty more memory for my system memory. So as you guys can see here, that was all the data that was applied when I didn't have the chip. But now since I have it, I have more space. And yeah, that's basically it though. This is useful. It will actually give me a break because for all these games. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I got YouTube, Fortnite, all these games. Yeah, and that takes a lot of data, and every time Fortnite updates, I gotta update my system again or delete some stuff just to make space. But yeah, with that chip, now I don't have to do that anymore. So that's basically it of the video. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I will be uploading a Pikmin adventure video today too, around 5 or 5:30. But yeah, but that's basically it. Um, Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Turn on post notifications. I really appreciate it. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on all my Instagram accounts. The links will be in the description. My Instagram accounts, my Linktree, and my Twitch stream, and the link to my Twitch. I'll be going live on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and throughout the weekend on every Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, go follow me on those, guys. Don't go check out my other content too. And also, guys, just to let you know, I will also be uploading another gaming video today too to make up for last weekend, because I didn't upload anything last weekend. There's some games that I downloaded on my Switch that I never played yet, so I'm gonna download a video of me playing one of those. I'll have to see. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching.